I watched the video of this guy called Matt Abrams that did this book, Think Faster, Talk Smarter. And
Hmm.
I thought it was brilliant. Well, I actually want to watch it again. Um, and one of the things he did in this book, and I want to do that with you quickly. The elephant thing that I did earlier was also from this book, but I quickly want you to play along with me with this thing now because it's a very interesting concept. It just shows you about the psychology, your brain, and it hooks on well to this conversation that we're having. Okay, so I am going to give you a invisible imaginary gift. Okay. And then you must now, on your side, you're receiving the gift. You must open it up and then tell me what's in there. And then I am going to tell you why I gave that to you. Okay, now before we start, before I give you the gift, did your brain just suggest a whole lot of stuff that could be in the box to you?
Yeah,
You're not
obviously.
allowed to use any of those. Okay. You're not allowed to use any of the suggestions your brain already gave you. You got to give me the one, the moment you actively imaginary open that box now. Okay, so here it comes. Here comes the gift. I'm sending it. It's in your hands. Open the box. What's in the box?
A camera.
A camera. I gave it to you because I thought that you could really use it in your content creation. Okay. The exercise is actually all about is trying to show you that sometimes you should learn not to listen to the first thing your brain tells you. Because
Hmm.
sometimes your first response is one of self-defense or because our brain is trained to protect us. So your first response, what do they call it? Fight or flight. Yeah. Your first response of your
Yeah.
brain is usually a fight and flight response, and it's not always the right one.